Hi y'all, welcome to the Messy Studio. Another quick tip for you. Handy little thing about these, not just the Jimmy Clues quick release like I'm using here, but any quick release that you have. When it's time to take it to the sharpener, you got this big long tool to, especially if you use like the Very Grind or one of its knockoffs, you got this big long handle to wield around. With a quick release system, all you have in the handle is this. And if you're in a tight space shop like I am, that comes in real handy. Like this. No handle. Fits easy up here. Full rotation. Fits good up here. I've got full rotation. And I'm not running into my body. I'm not running into anything else. Nice sharp tool. I'm really liking this quick change handle thing. So thanks for watching. Y'all come back and see us. We'll see what we can get into next.